Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a sweet recipe, that is mango kesari. Kesari is a South Indian version of suji ka halwa. There are many variations of kesari recipe and this mango kesari is one of them. Since mangoes are in season, I thought of sharing this recipe. Here I have used 2 big mango chunks. I'm gonna put it in blender and I'm gonna make a smooth paste. I'm not going to add any water. So here mango pulp is ready. A thick mango pulp is ready. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add dry fruits of your choice. Here I have used few cashew nuts, badam and pistachio. Once it is golden brown in color, I'm gonna take it out separately and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 1 cup of semolina or upma rava and fry it well. The suji has to be roasted well and should become aromatic. Once you start feeling aroma, please take it out from the flame and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I'm gonna add 2.5 cup of milk and also I'm gonna add mango pulp. Mix it well. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. Add sugar according to your taste. It depends upon the mango you're using also. Your mango is very sweet, you can reduce the sugar and add according to that. Once it starts to boil, add rava slowly and keep stirring with another hand. Be quick in stirring and slow in adding rava to prevent the formation of lumps. So finally add 2 teaspoons of ghee and mix it well. You need to keep on mixing in between. This is a very important process. So finally add dry fruits. So here is our delicious mango kesari is ready with all natural aroma of fresh mangoes. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye.